I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never. Every time I'm not threatened by every pair of legs you watch go by. I don't cringe when you stare at women. It's just a thing called a guy. I don't notice your sideways glances or where your loyalty lies. I'm secure and out of me. It's hard to get a rise. I'm not jealous, I don't get moved by much. I am not enraged, not insecure as such, not going insane. Rational stays in touch. Don't I protest too much. I'm not tortured by how often you're busy, 'cause I've got things to do. I'm not disappointed about how you don't miss me, 'cause I don't need you to. I am not needy, I don't get clingy much. I am not scared, I am not afraid. I miss your smell and your style and your pure abiding way. Miss your approach to life and your body in my bed. Miss your take on anything and the music you would play. Miss cracking up and wrestling our